Hello? Na Rogers be this?
Na Rogers oh.
How fair ne? Wetin dey sep?
Oh my dear oh. My mind don't calm down now. I been think say wetin do us last season go still do us this season again. I say make I thank you for the love wey you show me for that match.
Hebe, no worry. You be my guy. You better make you get Champions League than that Liverpool wey dem carry am 6 times. If dem mistakenly qualify now, dem go fit get carry am again. At least I know say if you go, dem no ban you well make you carry am. Na just the Champions League experience and money you won't collect.
E go shock you when I carry am next season. Did you dey talk anyhow?
My brother, Champions League no be Changam League. Man City wey dem carry Premier League with all their oil money. How many Champions League dem get? You think say the Gregor wey we dey play for Premier League na the same thing we dey play for Champions League? My brother, get her see a FA Cup. Champions League trophy na for clubs wey get prestige. You no get bragging rights for here. Just get carry am and jejely can match for group stage. You come the dream big.
No be so na talk finish before we carry Premier League. You go see na.
My brother, if you carry am there, make I drink the whole water wey the Atlantic Ocean.
Now you carry your mouth talk am.
The people wey help us sponsor this video na our guys for OneXBet. Na them be the most reliable betting platform wey dey, and them be global partners with FC Barcelona and Liverpool. Them come even be official sponsors for AFCON. You fit register for their new website wey them do specially for Naija with our promo code GNEXT so that you go fit get 200% of your initial deposit. Wey mean say if you first put 2k, them go dash you 4k, so you go come get 6k to take bet. Them also get plenty better bonuses for you once you register. Remember, the promo code na GNEXT. And don't forget to bet responsibly. Thank you.
Coachy abeg na mistake. I be no know say Kepa don comot for post.
See this mumu boy oh. You look post finish. See say Kepa no dey post. You still pass the ball enter post.
Coachy abeg. I swear no be wetin happen.
Shebi na still you go say that West Brom match. How much Ateta give you sef? Chelsea no dey pay you eh?
Coachy abeg na.
If I flog you finish today ba.
Okay Coachy abeg make we carry am go inside dressing room. Make people for no see me.
You say Chris.
Coachy abeg take am easy na.
Take am easy.
Jesus, Son of God.
Jorginho, na flog them, they flog you like this. In front of everybody. Hey, yeah, sorry yo. But you lucky, sha. Us na gun, then they shoot us. Sometimes na RPG safe.
Wetin dey do here? Come out for here, Joe. Mind your business.
Coachy abeg na.
No just try beg me again.
Toko, calm down now. You won't kill the guy. See, you dey even flog him for public. You know whether your wife dey watch him.
Wetin concern me? Zabo stays the match.
Shebi I tell you say I go beat you. You dey form nonsense. On top of the form where you carry play the match, I still knock all of them comot.
Oh boy, you carry luck win game, Joe. No dey open mouth anyhow.
If na luck I take win you, that means na luck you take dey win all your games now.
Your father.
I tell you say London na red. If you like, pack all the whole form where they come play me. London go forever dey red. Home and away no be beans.
Hello? Mourinho, how far now?
Oh boy, you see wetin Arsenal do Chelsea. Arsenal don't go buy bragging rights on top Chelsea head again.
I swear that thing shock me oh. I don't know the kind jazz what Ateta do. I go need to meet that in Babalawo.
No be just anything, Joe. You know see the heavy boss way in pack. Tuko dey there the form fresh guy. Na him Ateta na confusion enter him head.
No be small confusion no. It just be like say Chelsea carry Felale they close for express. They close. The next thing, they just down one heartless tipper. We carry sand. All the engine off. Now to share the pity.
Why you dey pity am?
Now this same thing where Ateta do Lampard now. The guy knock the form come out for Lampard team. Now him make Lampard start the play nonsense. Abramovich verse sack him. I no go surprise if Leicester knock Chelsea for that finals.
I go shit rubber bullet if that one happen.
They there nah. No be so we been think say Chelsea go beat Arsenal that time. Better go buy rubber bullet where you go swallow. So that you go fit shit am come out.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley? I been a woman bless you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you. Oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.